Assalamu alaikum. We are done here everything. So let me show you what we did it here. So this is a battery and we put the battery fuse. So it's battery disconnected, this one. So this is the one, if it's like any emergency or anything, so we just like pulling out, so the battery is gonna be disconnect. So this is a battery fuse, and this is for the AC, for the TV we put it, and this is for the surge protector. This is the input for the AC, and this one is for the output for the inverter. This is for the earth leakage. This is the main, and this is for the changeover. So this one we don't need to change anything. It's gonna be stays like this, right? And we put all the label also, and here for this also there was nothing, no label. So we put all the label also. So now this is the main switch, earth leakage, and this one is for the motor, and this is for the plug for the one breaker and for the light. So everything is working, and also here is the battery is charging.